MCQ series for RBWM, and we are covering various objective questions plus numerical, some case studies for RBWM. Okay, so follow this series completely, and today we'll be solving RBWM module chapter number 2. Okay, so let's start with the objective questions. Approaches in retail banking. The main approaches in retail banking are as follows. So here, firstly I'll give you some theory part. Okay, then we'll go for the this objective questions. Okay, so let's cover some theory first. What are the approaches in retail banking? The main approaches in retail banking are as follows. One is SBU, strategic business unit approach. Second is departmental, and third is integrated approach. Now look at this. I'll just explain you in short. Okay, SBO I am having it here. SBO we are having it over here. So I'll give you regarding this later. Firstly, departmental approach. Now what is departmental approach? In your bank itself, you might be seeing this. What all do we see? You see this clearing department, right? Clearing department. We call it department, right? Department. Then you have what? Cash department. Cash department, loan department, right, and so on and so forth. You have all this account opening department. So departmental approach means what? Somebody is working in that department, and the problem is these guys are not speaking or communicating with each other regarding the job, regarding the work profile. Okay, they might be having common tea, common lunch, common dinner, common parties, everything, but for the work they don't communicate. So this is known as departmental approach. This is mainly followed in which banks? Mainly followed in nationalized banks. Okay, we follow it. But as per the book, the model followed by nationalized bank is in your book itself, this RBWM book. The model followed by nationalized banks is, anyone can tell me? Okay, I'll answer it at the end. I'm having one question over here. Okay, so which is the model followed in the nationalized banks? Okay, next one is integrated approach, part of the overall business plan. Now look at this. Integrated approach is followed in small companies. Small companies. Okay, small means, let's say, small banks also. Which are new banks? There are many payment banks which have come up, right? So payment banks, these payment banks and everything, they are following this integrated approach. So this is eligible for small companies. It is not practical for larger companies. Okay, so integrated approach, part of the overall business plan. Overall, so every employee looks at the overall portfolio, overall business. Okay, so that's why I said it's applicable for smaller businesses. Now SBU approach, it is followed by new generation private sector banks. Now look at this. Private sector banks are also of two types. Remember, they are of two types. One is old generation and second is new generation. Okay, so old means what? There are many banks. I'll tell you. Karnataka Bank, right? You remember these names? Karnataka Bank, Federal Bank. These are old means what? They have been formed many years back. And new generation means this HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. Even now these payment banks. Okay, Equitas. This is a payment bank. Now these banks are the new age private banks. So they follow this private sector bank, they follow this SBU approach. What is the SBU approach? But what is this approach? What do you mean by this? Autonomous divisions, small enough to be flexible and large enough to exercise the control over most of the factors affecting its long-term performance. This is basically SBU. Each unit, suppose if I say clearing, that clearing unit should be able to generate its own income so that the expenses can be done from those income only. Now you'll say, how will the clearing department generate the income? By passing on the leads. These leads are given the points or a sort of income. Similarly, cash department, they can generate their own income. How? You'll say cash means what is the how can the cash generate an income? The cash person is not selling anything, nor he is opening the account, he or she is opening the account. Then how can that person generate the income? See here, by passing on the leads. Lead passing is an important aspect which is followed in private banks. Lead passing means if somebody lead, I'll write it over here, lead passing. Okay, that is called as LG, lead generator, and second is LC, lead converter. LG and LC, always remember. So this cash department guy can work as a lead generator, and they can pass it on to the lead converter or to the sales department, right? So that's why this model should be followed, and by using this SBO approach or this lead generation approach, they can earn the income. Of course, it won't be in the cash method, but it will be in points. So those can be considered at the appraisal time. So that's why these SBO approach means autonomous division, small enough to be flexible and large enough to exercise the control over the most factors affecting its long-term performance. So once you go on generating the income, then it will definitely affect positively to your long-term income part as such, right? SBU can be defined as profit centers which focus on product offering and market segments. Here, profit centers, that's what important. Profit. Cash department should generate their profits. Clearing department generate their profits. Everyone should generate their profits. Okay. So, which focuses on product offering and market segment. An SBU can be a business unit of a large corporation, or it can be a business in itself. Like clearing department. Suppose if that is considered as an SBU, so it is a part of the large corporation, large bank, right? So that's why in our banks, this large corporation is applicable. By business in itself, this is applicable to the smaller banks. Okay, got it clear everyone? Basic bottom line of this SBU is they must be the profit centers. They must generate their own profits. Okay, clear? Everyone subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CIB from IIBF. Means what? IIBF now, see, it's an exam time. So IIBF will make many changes. Venue change, then what? Portion change, slight portion here and there. Question pattern change, something, or timing change, depending on the local positions, right? So they'll make the changes. So these will be updated immediately on the Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. So that's why subscribe to this channel immediately. Okay. Also, you'll get a free YouTube series on this. Okay. A business model, now question time. A business model followed by the banks for retail banking are. So what are the business models followed by the banks for retail banking? SBU, strategic business unit approach, departmental approach, integrated approach, and any one of the above. Just now we saw it, right? What is the answer? Type in the comment section, everyone. What is the answer? Everyone, comment section, please. Yes. Yeah, it is. In the meantime, if you want to join the classes, call on this number given over here. See this, it's showing over here, right? So call on this number. Okay, for any query. Yeah, so the answer over here is what? SBU, departmental, any one of the above, right? Anyone, depending on the bank. Generally, private sector banks follow this new age private, this SBU. Nationalized banks follow this generally departmental, but I'll tell you the answer is different. I'm having that answer. Okay, I'll show you that answer. Generally, you can follow, consider that nationalized banks follow this departmental, but actual answer, if it comes in the exam, it's different. I'll give you that answer, but watch till the end. Somewhere it is there. Integrated approach. So small businesses, I told you. Okay. Foreign banks which entered the retail banking activities were not able to achieve the business objectives. Means if they are not able to achieve, then what will they do? If foreign banks are not able to achieve the business which they plan for, what will they do? What do they do? Continue with the business in spite of not being profitable. Do they continue? Move out of business. Change their focus with some strategic changes. Change their focus, and none of the above. By doing anything and everything, if they are not able to do it, they'll simply what? They'll simply continue, move out, change their focus. Here, change their focus means what? They have already changed their focus. They have tried everything. Changing this, changing that, offering some new products, offering some insurance with the savings account, everything. All these gimmicks they have tried, but nothing is doing. Then what will they do? They'll simply move out of the business. Many of the foreign banks have closed their retail business. Do you know? Citibank India has closed their retail business. HSBC India has closed their retail business. Okay. retail. Only I'm talking of retail business. Okay. The suitability of the business model or the approach of the bank depends upon. So business model means that just now we saw it, right? Which was that business model? Just now we saw this. See this business SBU, departmental approach, integrated approach. So this corporate strategy, business objectives, business mix, and all of the above. What is the answer? If you want to apply, let's say, departmental approach, so how will you decide whether I have to go for this departmental approach or I have to go for some other approach? Corporate strategy, business objective, business mix, or all of the above? It is all of the above, right? So any model followed by the banks, it depends on what a corporate strategy is, what the business objectives are, what the business mix is. What is the business mix? Mix means what all products do we have? Products in the sense, not products, but the segment of the products. Do you have deposit product? Do you have loan products? Do you have third-party products? This is known as mix. Okay. Everyone download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests. Whatever we require for clearing JAIIB and CIB, we get it over here. So that's why download it right now. Okay. Business models for retail banking are being drawn based on the various aspects. In this context, which one of the aspects are incorrect? Say this, which one of them are incorrect? So what do you say? Business models are drawn on various aspects, right? Which one of them are incorrect? Product, capacity, delivery channels, and technology. Models means again departmental approach, integrated approach, right? Or SBU approach. It depends on what? What is the answer? A, B, C, or D? Everyone, I want the incorrect one. Incorrect. I don't want the correct one. So, what is the answer? Comment section. Let me see. It is capacity. Remember, capacity, business model never depends on the capacity. Business model depends on product, delivery channels, and technology. What are the delivery channels? Delivery channels means anything. Branch, by which you can reach to the customer. ATM, iBank, internet bank, right? Technology means it comes to one and the same. C and D are almost same. Okay. Product, what all products do you have? Right? The implementation models followed by the banks for retail banking include. So implementation models here. Business models are those three. And implementation models over here are, this is horizontally organized, straight organized, management organized, and RBI organized model. So which are the implementation models? Horizontally, straight, management, or RBI organized? What do I say? It is horizontally organized. Remember, that is the answer. Correct. Horizontally organized. So implementation models followed by the banks for retail banking include horizontally organized model. Now, what do you mean by this? There are four models. Okay. One is horizontally organized. I'll keep it very simple. First is horizontally organized. Second is vertically organized. Vertically. Third is predominantly. I'll just write it PRED. Predominantly horizontally organized. Then predominantly vertically organized. These are the four ones. You will definitely get one question on this. Okay. Vertical. These are the four models. Horizontally organized, vertically organized, predominantly horizontally organized, predominantly vertically organized. Okay. So these are the implementation models. Got it, everyone? Okay. So coming back over here. So the answer is horizontally organized model. Move on. Business mix in the banking means business mix. What do you mean by this word business mix? Combination of products or services the company sells, activities it's engaged in, or customer groups it targets. Classification of branches into rural, urban, etc. Both A and B, neither A or B. What is the answer? Let me see. Okay. How many of you are just typing? I'm seeing this. You are typing this both A and B. Because we have the habit in JIB that if the answer is both A and B, it will be both A and B. No, that is not the answer over here. Okay, the answer is not this. Classification is known. This is known as separate part. Rural branch, urban branch. That is the classification model separately. Here we are talking of this business mix. Combination of products or services the company sells or activity that's engaged in or customer groups it targets. That is known as a business mix. Combination of products or services. Remember, products or services means what are the products of the bank? Saving, current, FD, loans. These are the products. Services means various services which we give. Locker service, right? Then demand service. Various services we give. Okay. Activities it's engaged in. So activities, what all activities it is going on in, right? Then customers groups. What all are the target customers of us? So that is all business mix. Got it? Now, how do you join Officers Adda 24? Join the Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel, or even see here we are having 3 channels over here. Even the fourth one, this WhatsApp channel that has also been started. Okay, so search on WhatsApp. Okay, you'll get it on Adda 24/7 on WhatsApp also. So scan this QR code for this Telegram. This QR code, black one for the YouTube, and this is for Instagram, and fourth one is this WhatsApp channel. Okay, on WhatsApp channel you can just go on WhatsApp and search for this channel. Type Adda 24/7. Nowadays the channel system has started in WhatsApp. If you don't know, channels have started in WhatsApp also. So search there. Okay, in update section, updates. Okay. Delivery channels in banking means delivery channels. What do you mean by delivery channels? Delivery means how can I reach the customer? How can I reach the customer? How can I reach the customer? Just now I told you WhatsApp. What is it doing? It's a delivery channel. So it means what? Branches, field officers, automated teller machines, payment terminals, point of sale devices, mobile branches, mobile phones, internet banking, e-banking, etc. and all of these. So delivery channels include what? Branches and field officers. So is this a delivery channel? Can we deliver a product through the branches and the field officers, human beings? Yes, so this is true. ATMs, can I deliver my product through ATM? Yes, I can. Why not? Because through ATM I can sell my loans also. Payment terminals, right? So this is similar to ATM only. Point of sale devices means those machines which are kept in the malls for this card swiping, right? These are POS machines. So is this a delivery channel? Yes, it is. Mobile branches, mobile phones, internet banking, all these are delivery channels. So the answer is D, all of the above. Delivery channels in the banking include all of the above. Okay, everyone clear? Now you'll say, how can a mobile bank or internet bank sell any product? You might be seeing this on the while you move on any mobile branch or any mobile bank as such. You'll get many offers over there. So what are those offers? Those are actually delivery channels. The bank is trying to sell you that product. Just click on this link and get extra 5% discount on your credit card. What is it? Delivery channel, isn't it? Do you want a personal loan up to 10 lakhs in just 3 minutes? What is that? Personal loan up to 10 lakhs in just 3 minutes. Click on this link. What is that? Delivery channel. Any ways by which we can reach to the customer is known as a delivery channel. Okay. You'll tell me, how is it in point of sale then? This is in this POS machine means what? We swipe it on that card, and then when we pay, then how do we sell it over there? If you check that POS slip which generates, again, whenever you make a payment, you generate a slip. Below there is a line given by many banks. If you want to open the account with us, or if you want any other service, kindly call this number. So that is again a delivery channel, isn't it? The business model followed by foreign and private banks for retail banking are. So foreign and private bank. Just now we discussed this. SBU, departmental integrated, any one of the above. It is SBU, correct? SBU. This was the question I was talking of. Business model followed by nationalized banks for retail banking are. Everyone feels this departmental, right? But as per your book, this is not the answer, departmental. You might be feeling that yes, departmental approach. We are having clearing department, cash department, account opening department, but remember SBO departmental integrated holistic. The correct answer is, as per your books, is holistic model. That is the correct answer. Now holistic model. Now what is this holistic model? Holistic model depends on the strategy of the bank or corporate objective of the bank. That is called as holistic. Looking at the overall perspective. Okay. Everyone join JIB Power Pack combo batch. All the 4 subjects PPB, IFS, AFM, RBWM covered over here. Now in this October 3rd starting. Okay. So today itself join it. Okay. Numericals, objective questions, case studies covered. Now Mahapack, you can join the Mahapack as well. In Mahapack you get multiple batches. Plus you get ebooks, test, this mini marathon, Maha marathon. Okay. Everything you get it. So join it immediately. How do you join this? See this. Go to Adda 24/7. I would always suggest you to go through the app. Okay. In the app you get 1% extra generally. Okay. Means how do you get 1% extra? You go on buying, and once you go on buying, the coins get collected. So once these coins get collected, these coins will give you extra benefit up to 1%. See this. Go to Adda 24/7 over here. Click on JIB and CIB. Then click on JIB October 23. You'll see this Power Pack combo batch. Click on this Power Pack combo batch. Okay. This batch. Done. Look at this. Online live classes, test series, ebooks, videos. Check the numbers. So many are there. Click on these ebooks. You will see subject wise ebooks. Each subject you are seeing this ebook. Click on this subject. You are seeing chapter wise. See this. Each chapter you are seeing the ebooks are for each chapter. Similarly for test. Now check for the test. Look at this test. Okay. You are seeing again chapter wise, this subject wise test. Click on this. You will get chapter wise again. See this module D. This RBWM, lenders appraisal process, valuation of real property, chapter number, and according to that. Okay. So that's why it's given in so details. Up to the lowest level of chapter it's given. So that much is enough for your studies. Even live classes, you see this. Ebooks, videos, you see this. Okay. So I would always suggest you to join it right now. And what are you getting? 80% off right now. Click on buy now. Code is already applied. Okay. Click on buy now. Look at the fees. 1499. My God, such a huge discount. In fact, if you join Mahapack, I'll tell you the advantage in Mahapack is you get all these batches in Mahapack. Look at this. Go to Adda 24/7 again, JIB and CIB Mahapack. Okay. Click on this JIB Mahapack. Double validity is going on. Now look at the double benefits over here. You are getting double benefit, 80% off, plus you are getting the double benefit. Now double benefit is applicable for 6 months and 12 months. You buy for 6 months, you get an 80% discount and you get plus 6 months extra. Similarly for 12 months. 24 months you are getting. You get a fees of this 3 months, 80% off. 4499, huge discount offer. Okay, here double validity is not there, but 3 months you can definitely buy this for 4499. Okay, so join this ASAP, Mahapack or the combo batch, anything. In fact, I would suggest Mahapack. Join Mahapack. Okay, so join it because your exams are what? It's already the exam month now. Okay, so I'll be back to